stuff set up in here. They finished working on this one. I didn't have light before, but I was able to get light now. Apparently they had tape over the socket, and they had a bunch of wire open. I figured, hey, they must not be wanting to use that at this time. However, they're also going to be from the painters. The painters covered the outlets as well to keep from painting over them. So apparently that's what it was. Okay, so I have light now. I'm going to go ahead and finish bringing this out and prepare to install the new one. Alright, and that's the new one going in. Has to be deboxed. Expansion tank pan. Also, let's see. It's pretty dark in there. You can't see it there. They got a nice valve. Can't see that, but it's called the gas cock. Those are the ones I prefer to use. They're a little more up to date. The other ones can break and get so stiff that they won't turn on anymore. But anyway, this tub is in. That's great. To actually start fixing the wall. And here. It's a little dark, but I'll get another shot of it later. But it may not always look like this. When I come back, it could be really far along. So still a good time to get it. Anyway, I'm gonna end this one here. Until the next time. With that being said, shalom.